Everyone, today we are going to discuss about coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond, very important topic. Coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. So ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond. Next, coordinate covalent bond. So ionic bond means a completely transfer of electrons between two ions. Covalent bond, a sharing of electrons between two atoms in a molecule. Next, hydrogen bond, the weak electrostatic forces of attractions between hydrogen atom and more electronegativity atoms like chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen. And next one, coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. So what is meant by coordinate covalent bond? First of all, example. For example, boron trichloride and ammonia. Boron trichloride formula BF3 and ammonia formula NH3. Boron trichloride and ammonia. So first of all, boron trichloride. So in boron trichloride, central atom is boron. Boron atomic number 5. And electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. And outermost electron configuration is 2s2, 2p1. S orbital 1, next to p orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. 2s2, 2 electrons, 2p1, only 1 unpaired electron. Okay. Next, first excitation state. Then 2s orbital electron enter into 2py orbital. So 2s1. 2px1, 2py1. Next, 3 fluorine atoms. So addition of first fluorine atom, second fluorine atom, third fluorine atom. So one empty or vacant orbitals. So in boron trichloride, central atom is boron, and boron has a 3 unpaired electrons, and remaining one is empty orbital, empty or vacant orbital. Okay. So in boron trichloride, central atom boron, atomic number 5, electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. And outermost electron configuration is 2s2, 2p1. Clear. Then first excitation state, 2s orbital electron enter into 2px orbital. So every boron or in boron trichloride, boron has a 3 unpaired electrons, and remaining one is empty or vacant orbital. Okay. So in boron trichloride, central atom is boron, and boron has a empty or vacant orbital. One empty or vacant orbital. So boron trichloride, and boron has a 1 empty or vacant orbital. Next, ammonia. So generally ammonia formula NH3. So in ammonia, central atom is nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number 7. So electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. And outermost electron configuration is 2s2, 2p3. So very simple, s orbital 1 and p orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. So 2s2, 2p3, 1, 2, 3. And 3 hydrogen atoms, first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, and third hydrogen atom, 3 hydrogen atoms. So in ammonia, central atom is nitrogen, and 3 hydrogen atoms. So first hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, third hydrogen atom. And nitrogen has a 1 lone pair. So this is structure of ammonia. So in boron trichloride, central atom is boron, and boron has a 1 empty or vacant orbital. Next, in ammonia, central atom is nitrogen, and nitrogen has a 1 lone pair. Okay. So in boron trichloride, central atom is boron, and boron has a 1 empty or vacant orbital. Same in ammonia, central atom is nitrogen, and nitrogen has a 1 lone pair. So nitrogen has a 1 lone pair. So this is donor. Next, boron trichloride. So our boron has a 1 empty or vacant orbital. This is acceptor. So donor is ammonia, and acceptor boron trichloride. So very simple. So donor, next to acceptor. So finally answer. So donor, next to acceptor. So finally boron trichloride BF3, next to ammonia formula NH3. So nitrogen is a donor atom and boron is the acceptor. So BF3 and NH3. So this is coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. Very clear. So in boron trichloride central atom is boron, and boron has a NTR vacant orbital. One NTR vacant orbital. Next, in ammonia central atom is nitrogen, and nitrogen has a one lone pair. One lone pair. So this is donor compound. Next one acceptor. Donor, next acceptor. So boron trichloride, ammonia, donor, next acceptor. So finally, coordinate covalent bond means. So coordinate covalent bond is a special type of covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond is a special type of covalent bond. Special type of covalent bond. In these two atoms like nitrogen and boron. So in these two atoms like nitrogen and boron, two atoms shared only one pair of electrons. Shared only one pair of electrons. One pair of electrons. But this shared pair is contributed by only one of the atom. Is contributed by only one of the atom. Only one of the atom is called coordinate covalent bond. Very simple. Coordinate covalent bond is a special type of covalent bond. Special type of covalent bond. So in these two atoms shared only one pair of electrons. Only one pair of electrons. But this shared pair is contributed by only one of the atom. Only one of the atom. That is coordinate covalent bond. Clear? So for example, in boron trichloride central atom boron has a one NTR vacant orbital. So this is acceptor. And next one, in ammonia central atom is nitrogen. Nitrogen has a one lone pair. So this is donor. Donor, next acceptor. So donor, next acceptor. So finally, coordinate covalent bond means. So it is one of the special type of covalent bond. Special type of covalent bond. So coordinate covalent bond is a special type of covalent bond. In these two atoms shared only one pair of electrons. One pair of electrons. But this shared pair is contributed by only one of the atom. Only one of the atom. That is coordinate covalent bond. And best example of coordinate covalent bond, that is boron trichloride and ammonia. Boron trichloride and ammonia. And second example of coordinate covalent bond, that is ammonium ion. Second example of coordinate covalent bond, that is ammonium ion. Example 1, next example 2, it is ammonium ion. Ammonium, not ammonia, ammonium ion. Generally, ammonium ion formula, that is NH4 plus. Ammonium ion formula NH4 plus. Very simple. First of all, ammonia formula NH3. Next H plus ion formula H plus. So generally ammonium ion formula NH4 plus, and ammonium ion converted into ammonia NH3 plus H plus ion NH3 plus H plus ion. So ammonium ion or NH4 plus converted into NH3 plus H plus ion. Okay. So in ammonia central atom is nitrogen, and nitrogen has a one lone pair. Excess number of electrons, one lone pair. Next, actually hydrogen atomic number 1. Electron configuration is 1s1. So only one unpaired electron. But H plus 1 means loss of one electron. And remaining electrons 0. So electron configuration is 1s0. So 1s0. So H plus ion has a empty or vacant orbital. H plus ion has a empty or vacant orbital. Same in boron trichloride, boron has a empty or vacant orbital. Same H plus ion has a empty or vacant orbital. So ammonia is a donor. Next H plus ion acceptor. So donor, next acceptor. So very simple answer. So NH3 ammonia. Next coordinate covalent bond. Next hydrogen formula H and overall charge plus charge NH4 plus. So this is coordinate covalent bond. So donor atom, next acceptor. Donor atom, acceptor. So same definition. So coordinate covalent bond is a special type of covalent bond. In these two atoms, nitrogen and hydrogen, shared only one pair of electrons, but this shared pair is contributed by only one of the atom, that is nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atom. So second example of coordinate covalent bond, that is ammonium ion. Ammonium ion. So first example, boron trifluoride and ammonia, and second example, ammonium ion formula NH4 plus. NH4 plus. And third example, very simple, hydronium ion. Third example is hydronium. Hydronium ion. Hydronium ion. Generally, hydronium ion formula H3O plus. H3O plus. Hydronium ion formula H3O plus. H3O plus. So same hydronium ion formula H3O plus. Generally, hydronium ion converted into H2O plus H plus ion. H2O plus H plus ion. Okay. So first of all, H2O water molecule. In water molecule, oxygen has a two lone pairs. First lone pair, next second lone pair. Next H plus ion. H plus ion has a empty or vacant orbital. H plus ion has a empty, one empty or vacant orbital. Vacant orbital. So first one is donor, and second one is acceptor. So donor, next acceptor, acceptor. So very simple. So H2O, donor, next acceptor, hydrogen, and overall charge positive charge, hydronium ion. So this is coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond. Same two atoms shared only one pair of electrons, but this shared pair is contributed by only one of the atom, that is oxygen atom. Oxygen atom. So first one say nitrogen, second one nitrogen, third one oxygen. So this is coordinate covalent bond. So finally coordinate covalent bond means, so coordinate covalent bond is a special type of covalent bond. So in these two atoms shared only one pair of electrons, but this shared pair is contributed by only one of the atom. So example, boron trifluoride and ammonia, so coordinate covalent bond. Second example, ammonium ion NH4 plus, same coordinate covalent bond. Third example, hydronium ion, same coordinate covalent bond. So donor, acceptor, donor, acceptor, donor, acceptor. So donor, acceptor, donor, acceptor, donor, acceptor. So this is coordinate covalent bond. So first one, ionic bond, a completely transfer of electrons between two ions in a molecule is called ionic bond. Second one, covalent bond. Covalent bond, a sharing of electrons between two atoms in a molecule is called covalent bond. Third one, hydrogen bond, the weak electrostatic forces of attractions between hydrogen atom and more electronegativity atoms like chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen is called hydrogen bond. Next one, coordinate covalent bond, and best examples of coordinate covalent bond, boron trifluoride and ammonia. Ammonium ion formula NH4 plus, not ammonia, ammonium ion formula NH4 plus. Next one, hydronium ion formula H3O plus. So this is coordinate covalent bond. Okay, right. Next. Okay, so coordinate covalent bond is completed. Next topic, Vesper theory. Vesper theory. Vesper theory. Okay. Valency shell. V means valency. valency shell, SHELL, valency shell, electron pair, valency shell, electron pair, repulsion theory. So valency shell, electron pair, repulsion theory, Vesper theory. V means valency, S shell, E electron, P pair or repulsion theory. So valency shell, electron pair, repulsion theory. So very important topic and previous 8 marks question. Very important. That is valency shell, electron pair, repulsion theory or Vesper theory. Valency shell, electron pair, repulsion theory. Valency shell, electron pair, repulsion theory. And previous 8 marks question. 8 marks question. Okay? Right. So heading Vesper theory. That is valency shell, electron pair, repulsion theory. Heading valency shell, electron pair, repulsion theory. Okay, right. First of all, number of bond pairs. First column, number of bond pairs. So heading valency shell, electron pair, repulsion theory. Okay. First of all, number of bond pairs. Next one, number of lone pairs. First bond pairs, next one number of lone pairs. And next one, shape of the molecule. Next hybridization. Next bond angle. And next one examples. So first one number of bond pairs, next number of lone pairs, next shape of the molecule, next hybridization, next bond angle. So number of bond pairs, next number of lone pair of electrons or lone pairs. Third one hybridization. Next shape of the molecule. Next bond angle. Next examples. 6 columns. Okay. So first column number of bond pairs. And second column number of lone pairs. Next hybridization, type of hybridization. Next shape of the molecule or structure of the molecule or geometry of the molecule. Next bond angle. And last one examples. Okay. So number of bond pairs. Next number of lone pair of electrons. Next hybridization, type of hybridization, shape of the molecule. Next bond angle. Next one examples. Okay, right. For example, beryllium chloride. First example, beryllium chloride. Generally, beryllium chloride formula BeCl. So first column, in beryllium chloride, number of bond pairs. So first bond pair, second bond pair. So in beryllium chloride, total bond pairs are 2. In beryllium chloride, total bond pairs are 2. Next, in beryllium chloride, number of lone pairs, so 0. There is no lone pairs. So first column, number of bond pairs in beryllium chloride, 2. Second column, number of lone pairs in beryllium chloride, 0. So 2 and 0, so sp hybridization. And shape of the molecule, linear shape. And bond angle is 180 degrees. And best example, beryllium chloride, BeCl2, beryllium chloride. Okay. So first of all, beryllium chloride formula BeCl2. In beryllium chloride, number of bond pairs 2. Next, number of lone pairs 0. So 2 plus 0, so sp hybridization. And shape of the molecule linear shape, straight line. And bond angle is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. And best example, beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride. Formula BeCl. For example, boron trichloride. Boron trichloride. Generally, boron trichloride formula BCl3. Boron trichloride formula BCl3. In boron trichloride, number of bond pairs. Number of bond pairs. First bond pair, second bond pair, third bond pair. So 3 bond pairs. 3 bond pairs. Next, lone pair of electrons 0. Lone pairs 0. So bond pairs 3 and lone pairs 0. Lone pair of electrons 0. Next, 3 plus 0. So sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. And shape of the molecule trigonal planar. Trigonal planar or triangular shape. Trigonal planar. Planar or triangular shape. Triangular shape. And the bond angle is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. And best example, boron trichloride BCl3 or BF3, boron trichloride. Boron trichloride. Clear? So in boron trichloride, number of bond pairs 3 and number of lone pairs 0 and type of hybridization sp2 hybridization. And shape of the molecule, structure of the molecule, trigonal planar or triangular shape. Triangular shape. And bond angle is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. And best example of sp2 hybridization BCl3 and BF3, boron trichloride and boron trichloride. And next one, for example, methane. Generally, methane formula CH4. Methane formula CH4. CH4. Methane formula CH4. So in methane, central atom is carbon. Next, number of bond pairs present in methane. So that is very simple. First bond pair, second bond pair, third bond pair, fourth one. So number of bond pairs in methane, it is 4. Next, number of lone pairs 0. There is no lone pairs. There is no lone pairs. So 4 plus 0. sp3 hybridization. Type of hybridization sp3. And shape of the molecule tetrahedral shape. And shape of the molecule tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral shape. And bond angle is 109 degrees. 109 degrees, 28 minutes. And best example, methane. Methane formula CH4. Methane formula CH4. So sp hybridization BeCl2. sp2 hybridization BCl3. sp3 hybridization CH4. So 2 and 0. So bond pairs are 2 and lone pairs is 0. Next 3 and 0, 4 and 0. So in methane, total bond pairs are 4 and lone pairs 0. There is no lone pairs. There is no lone pairs. And next one, for example, ammonia. Generally, ammonia formula NH3. Ammonia formula NH3. In ammonia, central atom is nitrogen. Central atom is nitrogen. And remaining 3 hydrogen atoms. First hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, third hydrogen atom. And nitrogen has a 1 lone pair. 1 lone pair. So these are lone pairs. So first of all, number of bond pairs in ammonia. Number of bond pairs present in ammonia. 1, 2, 3 bond pairs. So number of bond pairs 3 bond pairs. Next, lone pairs, only 1 lone pair. 3 plus 1, 4. So hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Same hybridization, sp3 hybridization. But shape of the molecule is pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shape. But shape of the molecule is pyramidal shape. And bond angle is 107 degrees. 107 degrees. And best example, ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. In nitrogen has a 1 lone pair. 1 lone pair. Okay. So first of all, ammonia formula NH3. In ammonia, central atom is nitrogen. And nitrogen has a 1 lone pair. So first column, number of bond pairs present in ammonia, 3 bond pairs. Second column, number of lone pairs present in ammonia, only 1 lone pair. Only 1 lone pair. So 3 plus 1, 4. So sp3 hybridization. But shape of the molecule pyramidal shape. And the bond angle is 107 degrees. Example, ammonia. Actually, in ammonia, nitrogen undergoes sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, actual shape is tetrahedral shape. But in ammonia, existing shape is pyramidal shape. Due to repulsion between lone pair and bond pairs. Due to repulsion between lone pair and bond pairs. And next one, for example, water. Water formula H2O. For example, water. Water formula H2O. So in water, central atom is oxygen. Remaining 2 hydrogen atoms. First hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom. And oxygen has a 2 lone pairs. First lone pair, second lone pair. Second lone pair. So first column, number of bond pairs present in water molecule. First bond pair, second bond pair. So two bond pairs. Next, number of lone pairs present in water molecule. Two lone pairs, first one and second one. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. And shape of the molecule, V shape or angular shape. Shape of the molecule, V shape or angular shape. And the bond angle is 104.5 degrees, approximately 104.5 degrees. And best example, water formula H2O. In central atom is oxygen, and oxygen has a two lone pairs. Okay. So first of all, number of bond pairs present in water molecule, that is 2. Next, number of lone pairs present in water molecule, 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So sp3 hybridization. So shape of the molecule, V shape, and bond angle is 104.5 degrees. And best example, water formula H2O. And next one, for example, PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride. Actually structure PCl5, central atom phosphorus, chlorine, PCl5. So in PCl5, number of bond pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of bond pairs in PCl5, that is 5. Next, number of lone pairs present in PCl5, 0. 5 plus 0, so 5. So hybridization, sp3d hybridization. And shape of the molecule, trigonal bipyramidal. And shape of the molecule, trigonal bipyramidal. And bond angles are 90 degrees and 120 degrees. 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Example, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Okay. First of all, in PCl5, number of bond pairs is 5. Next, number of lone pairs present in PCl5 0. So 5 plus 0, sp3d hybridization. And shape of the molecule, trigonal bipyramidal. And bond angles are 90 degrees and 120 degrees. And best example, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. And next one, for example, sulfur hexafluoride, SF6. So in SF6, central atom is sulfur. So very simple. First of all, 6 fluorine atoms. First fluorine atom, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. So in SF6, number of bond pairs, that is 6. And the number of lone pairs present in SF6, 0. 6 and 0. 6 plus 0. So hybridization, sp3d2 hybridization, sp3d2. And shape of the molecule, octahedral shape. And shape of the molecule is octahedral shape. And bond angles are 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Best example, SF6, sulfur hexafluoride. So this is Vesper theory for valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. Clear? So first of all, beryllium chloride. In beryllium chloride, number of bond pairs 2, lone pairs 0. So hybridization, sp. Shape of the molecule, linear. Bond angle is 180 degrees. Best example, BaCl. Next one. In boron trichloride, number of bond pairs are 3. Number of lone pairs is 0. So hybridization, type of hybridization, sp2. And shape of the molecule, trigonal planar. In some textbooks, triangular or trigonal planar. And bond angle is 120 degrees. So best examples are BCl3 and BF3, boron trichloride. Next, in methane, total number of bond pairs are 4 and lone pairs is 0. Hybridization, sp3 hybridization, type of hybridization. And shape of the molecule or structure of the molecule or geometry of the molecule, tetrahedral. And the bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Example, methane formula CH4. Next, in ammonia. So number of bond pairs are 3 and lone pairs is 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. So sp3 hybridization. Shape of the molecule, pyramidal shape. Bond angle is 107 degrees and best example, ammonia. Next one, in water molecule, number of bond pairs are 2 and lone pairs same 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So same sp3 hybridization. And shape of the molecule, V shape or angular shape. And best example, bond angle is 104.5 degrees. And example, water molecule, H2O. Next one is PCl5. So number of bond pairs 5 and lone pairs is 0. So 5 plus 0, hybridization, sp3d hybridization. And shape of the molecule trigonal bipyramidal, trigonal bipyramidal. Bond angles are 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Example PCl5. PCl5. And last and final. So in SF6 sulfur hexafluoride, number of bond pairs 6, number of lone pairs 0, 6 and 0. So sp3d2 hybridization. And shape of the molecule octahedral shape, and bond angles are 90 degrees and 180 degrees. And best example SF6. So this is applications of Vesper theory or valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. Okay, so first topic is coordinate covalent bond. So best example of coordinate covalent bond, boron trifluoride and ammonia. Next ammonium ion NH4 plus. Next hydronium ion. And second topic is Vesper theory or valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. So different types of examples, and important example that is ammonia and water. Ammonia and water. Actually, in ammonia central atom is nitrogen, and nitrogen undergoes sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, actual shape is tetrahedral, but in ammonia, existing shape is pyramidal due to repulsion between lone pair and bond pairs. Lone pair and bond pairs. Same, actually in water molecule central atom is oxygen, and oxygen undergoes sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, actual shape is tetrahedral, but in water molecule existing shape is V shape or angular shape. Same due to repulsions between lone pair and bond pairs. Lone pair and bond pairs. So these are applications of Vesper theory or valency shell electron pair repulsion theory. Okay, right.